Hello everyone. Finding inner peace through mindfulness meditation means learning to be present, accepting things and being aware. In this video, I will guide you through the top 5 steps to help you achieve a certain level of inner peace through this transformative practice. 1. Establish a regular meditation routine. Consistency is key in any meditation practice. Choose a specific time and place each day for your meditation to help make it a habit. Whether it's morning or evening, find a time when you can be uninterrupted and calm. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. 2. Create a supportive environment. Your environment can significantly influence the quality of your meditation. Find a quiet, clean, and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You can enhance your space with calming elements like soft lighting, comfortable seating, or peaceful background sounds. The goal is to make this place inviting and relaxing. 3. Focus on the breath. Breathing is a central aspect of mindfulness meditation. Focus on your breath to anchor your mind in the present moment. Notice the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils or the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. When your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breathing without judgment. Every time you bring your focus back to your breath, you are deepening your meditation practice. 4. Practice non-judgmental awareness. Mindfulness meditation involves observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations as they are without trying to judge them. Recognize when your mind has wandered and observe your thoughts as passing clouds without attaching to them or criticizing yourself. 5. Incorporate mindfulness into daily life. Expand the practice of mindfulness beyond your meditation sessions. Try to maintain an attitude of awareness and presence in your everyday activities. Whether you are eating, walking, or talking to someone, be fully present in the moment. This integration can help deepen your sense of inner peace and make mindfulness a more significant part of your life. These steps can serve as a foundation for building a mindfulness meditation practice that cultivates inner peace. As with any skill, the benefits of meditation increase with practice, patience, and perseverance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more mindfulness tips. See you in the next video.